Friends, welcome to Celebration Key. Carnival Cruise Line Celebration Key in Grand Bahama is a vibrant beachside escape built just for Carnival guests. You'll find two different lagoons, one just for adults and one designed for kids and families, plus white sand beaches, swim-up bars, colorful cabanas, and laid-back island vibes. All right, folks, if you're new to the channel, my name is Brian and this is Judy. If you're returning, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. So our first stop here is called Sunshine and Swings. It's a full bar covered by these rope swings, so it's a super cool vibe. Stop number one, I'm drinking a Cadillac margarita.
And I have a rum runner on the rocks.
Super cool vibe, folks. We'll see you on the next stop. At Celebration Key in Grand Bahama, one of the things you'll notice right away is how easy it is to explore. The walking paths are wide, beautifully landscaped, and clearly marked. Whether you're heading towards the lagoon, the beach, or just taking a relaxing stroll in the island breeze. Along the way, you'll find an abundance of clean, modern restrooms, many with lockers available, so you can store your belongings and move around comfortably without carrying everything with you. And as you follow the paths, they naturally lead you to the vibrant food container area. A colorful collection of casual spots serving up island flavors, quick bites, and refreshing drinks. It's laid back, convenient, and perfectly designed for a full day in paradise. All right, friends, so update from the Mini Donut King. We had 5 different flavors of donuts. We had a maple bacon, we had a guava cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, cinnamon sugar, and glazed. In my opinion, the strawberry cheesecake is amazing. The rest of them don't even compare. Judy, what do you think?
I think the cinnamon sugar is absolutely delicious. You know, the best donuts we've ever had in our lives were up in New Hampshire a couple years ago. We had tried their apple cider donuts.
Yes.
Absolutely amazing, better than anything we've ever had. And these are definitely up there with them.
I agree.
These are delicious. If you come to Celebration Key, you definitely want to find the donut food truck.
And to put it in perspective, folks, we're on an island eating gourmet donuts. You can't get better than that. Let's go check out the next stop, Judy. All right, friends, as you can see, we are at Gills Grill. I ordered the blackened fish sandwich. She's got the blackened mahi. Judy, how about take a taste here, so what do you think?
Looks delicious. Hold on a second, I gotta hold it up here.
So, doing some research, I was kind of trying to find out what Gills Grill originated from. And apparently there's not a gill. A gill just kind of refers to the part of the fish, which is a gill, the fish, and the grilled fish. So it seems like Carnival doesn't really brand after a particular person. They just do like a playful take on things. So that's the origin story behind Gills Grill. Judy, what do you think?
It's delicious. It's very flavorful. The blackened seasoning definitely adds to it. I think it's not as tender as the mahi that we just had in Cozumel. If you haven't seen our Cozumel video, check that one out. That we had over at Dick's Dive. This one's a little chewier, but definitely delicious. How's your sandwich?
My blackened sandwich is good. It's kind of, generically, it's what you expect out of a blackened fish sandwich with blackening and tartar sauce and cheese. But it's what you expect in the best possible way. When I ordered a blackened fish sandwich, this is exactly what I'm looking for, folks. So I would say Gills did not disappoint.
And their drinks are delicious too.
All right, so we're gonna finish up here, folks, and we'll see you at the next stop. If you follow the scent of warm sugar and island spices, it'll lead you straight to the Rum Cake Factory here at Celebration Key. This isn't just a grab-and-go dessert counter, it's a full sensory experience. You can watch the cakes being glazed and packaged, sample different flavors from classic rum to chocolate and coconut, and maybe even pick up a gift that won't last long once you get it home. Step outside and the energy shifts into a colorful island marketplace. The shops here blend cruise convenience with local flair. Handcrafted souvenirs, beachwear, island-inspired jewelry, spices, hot sauces, and all the little things you forgot to pack but suddenly can't live without. It feels curated, but still relaxed. You're not rushed, you're wandering. Celebration Key isn't just a beach stop. It's a place where the flavors, colors, and creativity of the islands come together in one walkable, easygoing space. And yes, you're probably leaving with rum cake. Here we are at Barbecue and Brews, folks. We had the opportunity to get smoked shrimp. On my 55 years on this planet, I've never had smoked shrimp before, so let's try it out.
It's always a first for everything. Watch his face. Let's see how it is. Smoked shrimp is delicious, and even if it wasn't, he wouldn't say so in front of the 12 bartenders that are right behind us.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a little on the cooler side, like temperature-wise. You can definitely tell there's a smoky flavor to it. It's something weird. It's more like a chilled shrimp with a smoky flavor to it, like an artificial smoked flavor to it. I don't think they did this on the grill or barbecue or anything like that. It's just weird overall. What do you think, Judy?
It would be way better if it were hot, because they're not chilled like cocktail shrimp and they're not hot like steamed shrimp. They're kind of in the middle, like lukewarm.
Now, in all fairness,
They do have good flavor.
They gave us this dipping sauce. So I'm going to try it with dipping sauce because apparently it's meant to be that way.
Which I did not use. So with that.
With the dipping sauce.
Not much better, guys. And we also have loaded fries. Look out, Outback.
Go ahead, give that a try, Judy.
Outback has his favorite loaded fries.
The dipping sauce is definitely spicy. There's some type of habanero in there, but it's like if you put habanero with a sweet jerk sauce, it definitely adds to the shrimp. It makes the shrimp a lot better. Yeah.
Just a heads up, these are nuclear, which is more than I can say for most of the food on the ship. The food on the ship is good, it's just not hot.
Get in there.
Although I will say that barbecue salmon last night and the braised short rib was both delicious.
How is it?
They're not bad. They're loaded
Regular fries?
Yeah.
What you expect?
They're comparable to Outback.
Better than the shrimp.
The shrimp aren't bad, they're just not hot.
All right, so again, another spot we tried for you, so you don't have to. And then we'll head to the next spot and close out from there, folks. Thanks for joining us on this one. If you're liking this video, hit that subscribe button for us, right?
Absolutely.
And like it too. We'll see you in the next spot.
Okay, so Celebration Key in a nutshell. The water is freezing cold. It is not heated. Definitely come in the summertime, not in the winter.
Absolutely.
The donuts are delicious. The drinks are amazing. The pool swings are awesome. Stay away from the seafood. I didn't want to say anything in front of those 12 employees because they were all, is it good? Do you like it? It wasn't good.
Seafood was a little tough. For fish, that's a tough swallow.
It was a little dry.
Yeah.
But we're a little picky too.
Fair.
The drinks are definitely delicious. It's a great vibe. It's like our Metro Lagoons in Florida, only way bigger. So interested to see what they add to it in the next couple of years because they have 200 more acres to build on.
Supposed to build a water park here.
Yes.
All right, folks. So that's going to close it out from here. I would say definitely it's worth of one trip. Fun to hang out here. Second trip, I mean, if you're on a 3-day cruise and it's your only option, then just make the best of it, folks. It's a good time. All right, folks, so we did our thing. We explored the whole entire island. We presented it to you in a fair nature. We gave the highs, the lows. Now do me a favor, do your thing. Hit that like button, hit that share button, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Until next time, be safe and be adventurous, folks.
Cheers.
Cheers.